the PG of Azia community, PG of Orsumoghu, somebody okay, wait for again. Your names are in the book of remembrance. I guarantee you that. Ndo also have to go do no more personally. Onyema here can negotiate. The PG of Azia community. Tona Nwabreze. You see, full names Tona Ferdinand Nwabreze. Wait for again. You are going to pay for everything you did. I just want you to know that when this is all said and done, the only thing that will save you in Alibo will be you buying yourself. Susu, you know which Susu I mean? SUICIDE will be the best thing that will happen to you because you will beg for buying. It will not come. I guarantee you, you see you and the traditional ruler, cultural ruler, in natural sense, of Azia, this thing you people turned Azia to. So Azia is where they now sell all the properties of your brothers they stole from Orsumoghu, Osihitukwa, Lilu, Iseke, and the environs. Ihiala local government, all the things they are stealing, they are selling it in your place. And POS business now is the biggest industry in Azia. Don't assume we are not getting all this information. You see, I'm right here in Osihitukwa. I'm currently at Osihitukwa. I will come to Azia. You will soon sue me in Azia. You will have to explain. In fact, hope you don't explain yourself to me. We don't come to that. Ngwa Ferdinand Okeke. I don't know why the Anambra State Governor, Professor Charles Soludo, is still leaving someone like you. You and the traditional ruler of Azia. Are you going to deny knowledge of the people doing this in Azia or what they are doing in Azia? Are you going to deny it? Eh? Are you going to deny it? Then the PG of Orsumoghu, somebody okay, wait for again. All of you, your names are in the book of remembrance. I guarantee you that. Ndo also have to go do no more personally. Ndo also have to go do no more happen. All this evil, unu name, and what's his name? Onyema here unu can negotiate to go do what you will do with them. You are still negotiating. Mandin kunu na plan iruru no Onyema. So you prefer giving these people amnesty. What sort of amnesty are you talking about? I saw your video the other time. You were telling people, and they are back to killing people. Amnesty without disarmament. Oh, it's in a federal government. Gabi Butego, Kemeko, another amnesty program. Of all the things this country has done for you, of all the things you've benefited from this country, after the COVID, I know how much you made. I know the tax break you were given to the tune of billions. So many airlines would have gone down, including your own, which you know. When they try to steal your money, the Boeing people, all of us were out, shouting, screaming, posting, attacking them. And when you would give back to your community, is coming to buy bags of rice as before these people started destroying our communities. Can't people in the village, living in the villages, buy their own rice they will eat? In a bibite rice, don't worry, this will not last forever. And kunu eme POS, nazi anaji POS, una miari ego ndi mmadụ. Una na-ebuari millions n'ime POS unu nazia. Don't worry, ọ ga-eru niile. Ote aka. Jenu mark ya, unu ga-afụ m nazia one day. Akwefuru osu itokwa infinity ebe unu ga-afụ m there. Cherenu. Between now and September, unu ga-afụ m nazia. Go and mark it. Keep on hiding that anu mpama. Na akpọ onwe ya bute ụzọ. Kunu ha. ke afa ada na-egbu ọkụkọ na ndị otu ya. All the people from Azia, unu man ihe adị na-ekwu na enweghị nke bụ asị. Don't worry, I need more information from Azia, and Azia keep sending them in. I'm going to deal with them.